Pravesh Verma coming in. Let's listen in.
और मैं ये जीत का श्रेय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को देता हूँ।
आपको इसका भरोसा था कि इस तरह जीतो, क्योंकि टफ सीट आपको मिली थी।
कौन होगा अब मुख्यमंत्री?
आपको इस बात का भरोसा था?
मैं दिल्ली की जनता का बहुत बहुत एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद करता हूँ और ये जीत ये प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की जीत है, ये सभी दिल्ली वासियों की जीत है।
सर, मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा कौन होगा? साइड में चोट लग जाएगी, किसी को चोट लग जाएगी।
That is in fact Pravesh Verma, the man who's of course the giant killer of this election, defeating Arvind Kejriwal. But it's not just Arvind Kejriwal, but several of his party leaders who are facing a very, very stiff competition. Let's quickly open this up and take it across to our reporters as well, who are on ground before I go back to our guests. Mohit is with us from the BJP headquarters. Isha is with us from the AAP headquarters. Pradeep Datta is joining us from Kalkaji. Mohit, what is really the big factor that has worked for the BJP in this election? What are they telling you?
Well, Madhav, there are lots of factors that have worked in the favor of the BJP. Now you see, when it comes to the voting percentage, the voting percent has not gone much. But the BJP always believed in transfer of the vote. The votes which went from the Congress party to the Aam Aadmi party, specifically the Purvanchali voters and the clusters. Now we know for a fact that our BJP started Jhupki Pravas Abhiyan 7 months ago. Their leaders were going in various Jhupkis, various slum clusters, organizing various program, activity, and BJP believes that in clusters they have got a hike of around 30% of votes in certain sectors, certain assemblies. So that was the plan of the BJP to ensure that the voting, if the voting percent does not come up, BJP was believing in transfer of the vote from the Aam Aadmi party to the BJP. Now when it comes to Purvanchali voters, from 23rd January to 3rd of February, in run-up to the elections, we saw that around 200 leaders from UP and Bihar, Purvanchali leaders were called specifically in Delhi. They held various meetings in Delhi in Purvanchal dominated areas, and it was all being monitored by the top brass of the BJP, various ministers, various MPs, various Nityanand Rai, in fact himself, the MOSM was given charge of 2 to 3 seats. Harish Trivedi, former MP, was the coordinator. We saw how Ravi Kishan, Manoj Tiwari, they were all given various seats apart from that additional responsibility. So the BJP was working on transfer of the votes, and that BJP says has happened.
Okay, the transfer of votes has happened.